Little boogie in the mornings. What is it, Tuesday? Monday? No, it's Tuesday. Alright. We'll get into this in a minute. We'll make a cup of tea. And then we'll be talking.
Hello. Yes, it's me again. Very aware that yet again I've done like a couple of videos and dipped. I haven't actually done a couple of videos and dipped. The trouble is I get randomly busy, man. This life of freelancing, it does actually get quite busy. Got incense blasting, and to be honest, I thought it would set the mood. It's actually just putting me off a little bit. It's quite intense. It's a lot of smell. It looks so pretty though. Anyway, I'm getting so off topic. Back to what we were trying to talk about. I've been quite a busy bee lately. I've not stopped working. Well, I say I've not stopped working, but every weekend I've basically been somewhere doing something, and it kind of just built up. With working every weekend, I'm kind of back and forth a lot. So I never really just found enough space to figure out a video for anything. And I wanted to keep up to date with jits and stuff, jiu-jitsu, and that's not been possible because let's just start from the beginning. All right, so about 6 weeks ago, I'm in the gym doing my usual shit, and I decide that I want to do some shoulder shrugs because me traps, they're not what I want them to be, so I want them to be bigger. Almost instantly, something in my neck just goes wild, like gets incredibly angry. I've had issues with my neck for about 7 years, I want to say now. What feels like a bone or a bursa or a plate, or I don't know, I don't know what it is, but it really fucking hurts. Just general movement, man. Like I wanted to cry. I was in agony. So, and that, to be honest with you, until like, I don't know, 2-3 weeks ago, that pain hasn't subsided. It hasn't gone. It hasn't gotten better. And there's just no way I can do anything on it. I haven't been able to go to the gym, let alone be able to go to jits and, get thrown around like a rag doll. So I've had no content whatsoever to really fill with jits because I haven't been there. So that's one part of my update, I guess, is that neck pain is a consistent issue for me, which is really not fun because I have to manage what I do in the gym at all times. There are now a handful of exercises I simply can't do because they're pretty notorious for setting my neck off. I've done a lot of rugby. I've worked a lot. I've worked pretty much every weekend since the start of December, I want to say, which I'm not mad about at all. I love it. I really am grateful that I can step into freelancing and it's kind of gone this well. However, with those jobs, there's been some really exciting things happening. One is that I can see the progress in my ability to work on these live broadcasts now. I feel a lot more confident. I've done a lot more handheld now, and a few more other cameras, which have helped me understand how these shows are produced and filmed and stuff, which has been really cool. I've done 2 jobs which I really didn't expect to be able to do this year within a year of my freelancing journey, I guess. And those were the Six Nations, and it was a bolt-on, admittedly. So a bolt-on or an add-on means you're not filming the game. You're filming Prez for another country. So for instance, we were filming Prez for France TV. I've had therapy for the last 9 weeks now. I've gone to therapy for the last 9 weeks consistently. And that's through the hospice and stuff. It's like grief counselling. It's been really hard. It's been really, really tiring, to be honest with you. Like I feel exhausted from it all. It's been a lot, and it's been a lot of progress in quite a short period of time. Yeah, so we're working through some stuff. We're getting there. I'm going to leave it here because I think that is a pretty brief update of everything that's happened, and I'm going to get cracking on editing so you can see my lovely face, and you can see how my lungs have just been battered by this incense stick for this like whole 20-minute chat or however long it's been. Hope you're having a great week, everyone, and I will see you in something a little bit more creative at some point in the near future. Make every day count and enjoy life. I'll see you in the next one.